If you are gonna shave your face in Dermaplane, there are right tools to use and there are wrong tools to use. But the only way to figure it out is to do half my face with the Tinkle and half my face with the Dermaplaning tool from Stack Skincare. So let's go. What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna be talking about shaving your face. But actually, for real, we are gonna be talking about shaving your face. So a little backstory. A few months ago, if you've been following my YouTube channel, you know I was dealing with severe acne and breakouts and like welts on my face, and I just could not get a good grip on it. I just wanted all my acne and my breakouts just to stop. I reached out to a bunch of dermatologists and estheticians and I did research, and I stumbled upon the importance of actually females shaving their face. Yes, it's a real thing. It's actually called dermaplaning. You can go to the salon and actually get it done, but it costs like $150 to $200. So I did my research, and there's actually tools that you can use at home to dermaplane or shave your face on your own. Now let me tell you about dermaplaning, shaving your face. What it does is, yes, it removes the peach fuzz, but it also exfoliates your skin by removing the dead skin cells, which causes less breakouts, makes your skin look smoother, and it helps your makeup go on smoother. And what I actually noticed is it prevents breakouts. That was my number one issue of why I started dermaplaning. And number two, it helped reduce the appearance of my acne scars. Now, me, my little naive self, I was like, shaving your face, what do I do? Oh, go to the store. And I bought a man's razor. So let me tell you at home, if you are gonna shave your face in Dermaplane, there are right tools to use and there are wrong tools to use. And you can learn from me, the guinea pig, because I have tried them all. All right, so I went out and I bought a men's razor. I bought a really sharp one, 3-blade, I think this is like Harry's or something, and I shaved my face. First of all, I felt very manly doing it. Yes, it did get rid of the peach fuzz and it did exfoliate a little bit, but I didn't get the results that all of these beauty bloggers and everyone was ranting and raving about, and I still kept getting my breakouts. So what did I do? I put my man's razor away, which actually now I use for my under armpits. Oh, looks like a charm. And I went on to Amazon and I found an electric razor that is known for dermaplaning at home. And I shaved my face with this tool. It claims to be 18 karat gold plate, and you turn it on and it lights up, it's electric, and yep, once again, naive Jess, she just went for it. Well, let me tell you, the next day, it irritated my skin like I've never seen before. I had a rash all over my skin and it caused me to break out. Went back on the computer, did more research, and I heard that, probably should have started with this, but when you're at the salon and you're getting a dermaplaning service, they use a single blade. So it's really important. Dermaplaning should only be used with single blades. Now, obviously, if you're getting a service done and you're gonna spend $200, that's gonna be a really sharp blade. So I went back on the internet and I heard of a single blade that you can use at home for dermaplaning. It was called a Tinkle. Not like tinkle, like electrical tinkle, but it's called a Tinkle. And funny enough though, it was actually even on the box, I didn't keep the box, but even on the box it said eyebrow shaper. But tons of beauty bloggers and everyone claimed that this is a good way to dermaplane. I started with this. Once again, I just didn't see the results everyone was ranting and raving about dermaplaning. So one day I was just scrolling on Instagram and I stumbled upon this beautiful Instagram page, and it was from Stack Skincare. And I saw that the founder is actually a dermaplaning expert. So I just, ballsy Jess, I just pushed message and I just said, hey, I've been trying to dermaplane at home. I've used tons of tools. I can't get the right results. Do you have any recommendations? And the CEO and the founder of Stack Skincare, Carrie, actually messaged me back. She gave me so many great tips and tools and just all this amazing advice that I was like, would you be open to actually sharing all of this wisdom and knowledge on my YouTube channel? And she said yes. And she actually lives in Los Angeles, and we are currently at her gorgeous house right now, and she's about to jump on with me and share it all with you. And here she is. Carrie, thank you so much for joining me on camera. So tell us about why you came up with this dermaplaning tool.
So as an esthetician, one of the main treatments that I always provided for my clients was dermaplaning. Absolutely love the benefits of dermaplaning because it's one of the best ways you can exfoliate your skin. It's going to instantly brighten and smooth your skin. Doing that in your professional treatments is one of the best exfoliation techniques. In the spa, we use a 10-blade scalpel. So it's a really sharp blade. But I really wanted to be able to give my clients, as well as the world, an opportunity to really dermaplane at home and get the results that you would from a professional, but be able to do it safely at home.
What would be kind of fun is if I did, because I've tried dermaplaning with both of these. It might be kind of cool to do half my face with one and half my face with the other, and have you kind of walk me through the proper way to use your tool and really see the difference.
I love it. Let's do it.
Cool. All right, so now we're gonna put it to the test. I know Carrie claims that this is the best, but the only way to figure it out is to do half my face with the Tinkle and half my face with the dermaplaning tool from Stack Skincare. So let's go. First, come in close and see how much peach fuzz I have now and what my skin looks like before.
So you can see there's not a lot of dead skin and peach fuzz coming off. She's having to definitely push a lot harder. And because she's having to push a lot harder, this is where you're gonna have a lot of irritation, red skin, and inflammation, which is what we're really trying to avoid. And when she's using the Stack Skincare tool, you can visibly see how much more dead skin and peach fuzz is coming off, so it's a lot more effective of a tool.
Oh yeah, like night and day difference. Like, look at all this. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. That's insane. Oh my god, you can like see all this coming off. That's insane. That's what causes breakouts. No one wants that. Look at that. Well, a little bit of a difference. Like, I've used this before, but I've actually never like compared it like that. Look at, get the two differences. And that's after I washed my face. That's shocking.
You can see how there's that's like a lot of dead skin in here,
Yeah.
and then you also have some hair.
Right.
Like there's no dead skin there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, like even going like this. Mm-hmm. This is still rough. This still feels like I've dead skin. And this is so smooth. Like you can tell the product is actually soaking in on this side. I've never had softer skin. All right, so I am actually blown away. I cannot believe the difference. Like this side of my skin, the side where I use the Stack Skincare Dermaplaning tool, it's smooth. This side, it still feels like rough. Like I can still feel the dead skin cells. There's still even peach fuzz there. I am just blown away. Like this one, I felt like I had to push so hard to, you know, get anything off. And I was actually scared that I was gonna like irritate my skin. Whereas this, literally just one stroke and you already saw things coming off. Like the difference was amazing. And this is sharp, but I was never scared that I was gonna cut myself.
Mm-hmm. As long as you always are the hand behind the blade, pulling your skin taut, light feather strokes, keep your blade on the skin and that 45-degree angle, and you're good to go.
Yeah. I mean, to be honest, I feel like this really didn't even do anything.
Well, it's made to touch up your eyebrows. Yeah, and so these are really interesting. Pretty much most devices, this is called a tinkle. These are really, it says on the package, they're designed for eyebrow touch-ups. And one of the main reasons you can tell is like, this blade right here, it's not a blade, it's a blade guard. So you can just go like that. And so there's a couple things going on here. A lot of times people are using this to dermaplane, but because it's not sharp enough, it can be very irritating to your skin. And it's also really not gonna get up nearly the amount of dead skin and peach fuzz, and you're gonna be left with stubble.
Right.
Because it's not sharp. But the main thing is it's meant to touch up your brows, and that's why like this part right here is kind of exposed, where on our tool, we wrap this tip around to prevent you from nicking. So you actually can't use this on your brows. You can kind of touch up on the forehead and get down here, but you don't want to go underneath your brow with this because you'll just slice your brow off. So you can really see the difference between, I would never do this on our tool.
Yeah, I was gonna say, that's sharp.
So this is intended to really remove that dead skin and peach fuzz, where this is really intended to...
The brow.
Yeah. And so this is the same. It's kind of the same with any of the other electric, options out there. There's a lot of other dermaplaning tools out there, and they all are sort of using this blade guard. We're really the only one that's actually a dermaplaning tool. And the reason why we wrap this around is to help you prevent nicks. And the reason why this piece is beveled right here is when you dermaplane, you want to be at a 45-degree angle to your skin. So obviously doing this doesn't do anything, and that's just scary. So the blade needs to be at a 45-degree angle, and that plastic beveled piece really allows for it to sit nicely on your face to really do the treatment correctly. So removing that layer of dead skin is going to keep your pores clear. It's going to make your products work better. It's keep your skin healthier and more radiant.
Yeah. I mean, look at your skin. Her skin's like glowing.
I'm constantly exfoliating, ABP, always be peeling. So I'm dermaplaning, I'm using peels all the time. The best way to have radiant, glowing, healthy, fresh skin is to continue exfoliate. And a lot of times people think that, it's too much for their skin, when in reality, it's not. And a lot of times people think they have really sensitive skin, but what it is they're not doing anything to it. So once your skin is an amazing way of adjusting, and once you get used to, the exfoliation, your skin will adjust and you'll start to notice the benefits without any of those side effects.
For sure. I give this Stack Skincare Dermaplaning tool a double thumbs up. I am blown away by the difference. This didn't even do anything, so bye. So you recommend dermaplaning your skin once a week?
I recommend doing it weekly, and you're gonna change out the blade monthly. So you're just gonna put the cap back on, made a nice sustainable tool, so all you're gonna do is pop the blade off. And then you've got a 3-pack of refills, so this is gonna last you for 3 months if you're dermaplaning once a week, which we recommend. And this handle is an aluminum handle, it's virtually indestructible. And then it just pops back on super easy. So.
Very cool.
Ready to go.
Well, yeah, I love the tool. So where can they find the tool and just follow you in general?
You can buy it at stackskincare.com. You can follow us at anywhere on Stack Skincare, so Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. And they're on Amazon, Sephora, and Neiman Marcus.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for joining and checking out my dead skin cells. Say bye to dead skin cells. And thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Bye, guys. I'll see you in the next video. It's like up my nose.